Happy March 29th, 2024.
Oh, yeah. Are you gonna flash him, baby?
Here we go.
Can you ever see you when you? I was waiting.
Oh my God, he's so embarrassed. Here he's coming again. He knows he has an audience.
Yeah, here he goes. People are gonna like. Where is he?
Right there.
Right there.
Watch out.
Right
I
there.
gotta get a button that's not. I gotta get one that's not blurry.
Whee!
Hey, look at the zoo.
Crazy kid.
Jean's out here with me. We've been doing a lot today, and then a lot in the cabin, and she's helping me with the Timmy's Vineyard table groups. So let's see what gets done, and then here you can show what you're doing there, Miss Jean.
We're trying to put a safety barrier on there.
We're protecting the vines from the rabbos so they're not ravaged
Yeah.
by the rabbits. Because they do love to chew on the grapevines. The other fruit trees are popping. They be a popping. Look at this is the persimmons. We'll have to take a closer look at the persimmons.
There we go.
And then
Alright.
look at how the fruitless plums are blooming. They're so pretty down the driveway. And this time next year, those pepper trees are going to be twice as big.